Hi guys, hello. Today we're gonna do on this small commercial project, we're gonna do a curb and gutter, right? And I'm gonna go over the basics over the curb and gutter. I know that we're gonna have to do a ramp around here, but I'm gonna do that one later on a later video, okay? To cover ramps and how to cut model in place components. So let's start with this one here from the 3D view, right? So we're going to go to component on the architectural tab, and we're going to go to model in place. And here I'm going to use something like on the category, I'm going to use a floor category, right? Because it's going to be kind of like the same material, maybe a different finish, but the same material. And I'm going to put here curve and gutter, right? And I'm going to go here to OK. And the one that I'm going to use is going to be a sweep. Got it? And I'm going to start by sketching the path. Okay, and I'm going to use the pick line tool, and super easily I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to pick the upper, right? The upper line. I'm going to go here, right? I'm going to go on every line segment of my project. Basically, I'm going to try to stop it here. Okay, that's it. And I am done with the path, so I'm going to finish it. And then I need to edit my profile where it's going to be right here with this crosshair here, right? So I'm going to go to edit the profile, and I'm going to create a profile that goes here this way over a foot. So I'm going to type in 1, right? I'm going to go over, okay, perpendicularly another foot, okay, up 0.5 of a foot, 6 inches. Right, I'm gonna quit and I'm gonna go on the top and I'm gonna do another 6 inches. Okay, sorry, 0.5 of a foot, and then down, right, to make this and close the profile here, right? Before I finish this, right, the fillets, they're not that easy like in AutoCAD, so I'm gonna use a little circle and I'm gonna do like a 2-inch, right, circle. And here I'm going to use Revit, the star and arc here. So I can go from quadrant to quadrant, and then Revit will help me doing the perfect circle there, right? And then I need to trim really carefully arc and the piece of the line that I want to keep, the arc and the piece of the line that I want to keep, right? And I'm going to do the same thing again really quickly, right? Another circle here of 2 inches. And at endpoint arc here, right? So quadrant to quadrant, and then move the cursor, and Revit will give you the perfect circle of 2 inches right there, right? And then trim properly this line that you want to keep in the arc, this line that you want to keep, the side that you want to keep, and the arc, and it will be trimmed, right? We can also do a kind of like a 1-inch little arc here, but it will be like too much, right? So then here we can just go and ask for finishing and finishing, right? And it will make me my nice and neat curve and gutter, right, for my project. I'm gonna have to edit this one and add a void extrusion so I can cut to get my ramp on this one, that it will be on a different video. Okay, hope you like this one. Okay, Rincon Beam Consulting, like and subscribe.